So hello viewers and welcome to JMC. In this video we're going to show you how you can pull off dent from any panel of the vehicle. So this is the door of a Jeep. It don't has usually a visible dent, but it has wavy like surface. It has a wavy like surface because its upper layer has softened over time. So first of all we are gonna pull out some dents and then we are gonna heat it up to make the surface level again. So we are gonna do it with the help of a stepper. Here is a stepper and the molding tool, which looks like this. It is usually called a dolly. So that's how you do it. So we are doing it with the help of the stepper and dolly. We are keeping dolly on the inside and we are slapping it from the outside wherever the dents are. In this way we will remove all the waves and dents in the surface by slapping it this way. As I have shown you all the tools of denting in the previous video, so there is another type of slapper. We are using it to get the outer surface a bit more outer. नहीं आ रहे आप टेंशन As it has a dent, so it is gone inside. We are pushing it outwards so that the level is gained again. So now we are going to use some heat with the help of welding torch. As you can see, we'll keep the flame low so it usually does not put the hole in the layer of the door. So we'll keep the flame low and we'll see which place is loose. So after applying the flame, the uh, spotted place will come out a bit and then we will level it again with the help of stepper. As you can see, now we level it with the help of hammer and usually a stepper or a dolly inside it. So as you can see, this place has been tightened with the help of flame. बत्ती नाल की वापस चली जाती है चादर कोई टाइट हो जाती है ना Now as after applying the flame, the boundaries of the place where the flame has been applied have a bit pulled out. So we are going to manage with the help of hammer, and this space is also a bit loose, so we are going to apply some heat here too. Here you see the flame usually tightens up the sheet. Be careful while applying the flame because it can easily make a hole in the layer of the door what you are repairing. So just be careful. We have hired professionals, so they really know how to do it. But you can also do it at home. It's not a that tough job. Just be careful. As you can see, the place where the flame is applied, it's going red out and it comes a bit like a bubble out. So we'll manage the boundaries with the help of a hammer, and then after applying a wet cloth it dries suddenly and becomes strong. Now as the layer has been and sheet has been tightened, now with the help of stepper we'll see the and remove the little dents which were on the surface usually.
Start the
So
like
viewers,
channel
after repairing
video.
the dent we saw that the bottom layer of the doors was all rusted up and it was just not in a well condition. So we decided to repair it as well, and I'm gonna show you. As we have made the piece with the help of sheet metal and now the desired shape has been obtained, we are gonna just weld it together. I've shown you how to gas weld two pieces together in the previous video, but I'm gonna also give you a quick demonstration here. As you can see, you just need the welding torch and the wire. Apply the welding, apply the flame to the layer which we have to weld usually, and then slowly apply the wire, and the nice spot will be fitted there. After putting the spots, we'll just align the feet a bit and then we'll make it fit.
बंद कर दे बस वीडियो प्ले नहीं सी
So viewers, the previous patch has been fixed well, and now we are going to give it a round patch. This is how you can weld a round patch to it. welded bottom layer of the door. The bubbles are also here. The other side to be fixed with the help of a hammer, and we'll make it.
Yeah. I don't even know what else to say. I'm gonna let that 808 right out.